Don't wanna ever have to question if you're down for me, but when I wanted you, you didn't really want me. Now the feelings ain't mutual. Yeah, you let a good girl walk out of your life. The feelings ain't mutual. You know I could've held you down for life. If you're inconsistent, I'ma find someone who isn't. He gon' give me what you're missing, yeah. Boy, get off my line, you're wasting my time, I don't need you. I can call up them guys that's on standby to tell you the truth. Cause the feelings ain't mutual. Yeah, the feelings ain't mutual. Yeah, the feelings ain't mutual. Ain't mutual, yeah.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Tyra D. Welcome back to my channel. Today's Vlogmas, baby, we about to restock and revamp this. Well, not really revamp. I guess it's, yeah, restock my fridge. Yeah, I really need to go shopping. But first, but first, I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's. And I'm not even a Trader Joe's girl. I can't even speak. What? I'm not even a Trader Joe's type of girl. But these girls on TikTok keep showing me things at Trader Joe's, and I'm like, maybe I need to try it. Maybe I need to. So we're gonna go to Trader Joe's and order some stuff off of Amazon Fresh. Y'all gonna see that too. And what else? I need to go to Aldi, cause why not shop at Aldi when everything is the cheapest there? You know what I'm saying? You can get your fresh produce there. So I think we're gonna start at Trader Joe's because I don't want the stuff from Aldi sitting in the car and going bad, because I don't shop at Trader Joe's. Now, when I was in college, I did go to Trader Joe's, but I was never really shopping it there like that, because I ain't never know like what to order. I mean, grandma acting like this McDonald's. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. I ain't know what to get. But now I'm gonna try a couple things. I just want to get a couple of things that I saw on TikTok. Oh my gosh, am I really gonna let, baby? It's always TikTok. But right now, we about to order some stuff off of Amazon again. We about to order some stuff off of Amazon. Ooh. I feel like Amazon has a chokehold on me. Like, how cute are these? Like, I've been wanting to, you know, like redo my little spice jars and stuff, but oh my gosh, these matte black chef's kiss, babe. And what else? We're gonna get a couple more little things. But yeah, I'm not gonna go too crazy. I'm just gonna order like a couple of things. Just a couple this time, cause girl, Amazon be having me in a chokehold. I ain't gonna lie. I'd be like, decor. All right, I'm gonna see y'all at Trader Joe's, at Mr. Joe's. Okay, bye. Alright, y'all, it was too many people up in there. Oh, where's my hand sanitizer? It was way too many people up in there. I couldn't even talk to y'all because I was like, baby, too many people in here. So yeah, luckily it's an Aldi that's not too far from here. So I'm gonna head over there, get my fresh produce, and then we can be done. We're gonna go back home and go through all this stuff. Now I feel like Trader Joe's, now I'm gonna taste this stuff and we're gonna see. It's not a place that I would just come shop. Like, I will only come here if I really just wanted these, why is it not rubbing in? If I really just wanted like some specialty type of things. Because, I don't know, just not like food I eat. It's not, but The food that I did pick up, baby, it sounded like it sounds good. So we about to just go get a couple more things and then we should be done. Okay, y'all, I'm in Audi and I'm trying to hurry up because I got frozen stuff in the car. But then I realized I need to low-key go to a Target or a Walmart because I need some stuff that they ain't got here, like fresh, like they don't have fresh fruit. Like they don't have strawberries, blueberries for real. And they don't have the frozen fruit that I want. So I don't know. I'm trying to see. I do need to get some eggs because baby, I'm gonna tear some eggs up. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm about to look for the eggs. Let's see. I'm gonna get like one thing of them. One thing about Target, ooh, y'all almost fell over. One thing about Target, you gotta stay focused because I have things in my car that can melt, and I'm already distracted. I'm like, ooh, what's that? How about that? Maybe I need this. What did I come in here for? Okay, marshmallows, strawberries, blueberries. Marshmallows, strawberries, blueberries. What you saying, Armani? Don't do it. Yeah. Alright, we found... Ooh, that looks dingy. What is that? I'm gonna get these marshmallows though. Why do they only have these huge marshmallows? They don't have no miniature marshmallows. We're gonna have to just get the huge ones then. I lied. I found them. I found them.
Diamonds all over my body, shining all over my body. Cardi got you girl Somali. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. Billy truck laying the lane. Blow up the rain. I want insane. I drop a check on the chain. Pick up a check in the plane. Pretty to get made, you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Pretty put the pussy on offset. Cardi be brain on offset. Pretty to get made, you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Pretty put the pussy on offset. Cardi be brain on offset. Sippin' this bitch is your bitch. Fuck up a check and you rich. Us in the coupe with them inches. I fuck up a bag in the Bendy. I fuck up a bag in the Benny. Who you know drip like this? Who you know build like this? I pop a shit like a dude. Pull up and pop at your crew. Rubbing at you. They say you basic. I flirt up the rollie with diamonds. I flirt up the paddock and bracelet. I got your bitch and she naked. Ice on the cake when I bake it. I'm switching leads in the range. Swap up the dick for the brand. Swap up your bitch for your main. Swap up the jet for the game. I saw them Cardi B, Cartier frames. Your bitch won't party with Cardi. Cartier body in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body, shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch Somali. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. Billy truck laying the lane. Blow up the rain. I want insane. I drop a check on the chain. Pick up a check in the plane. Credit to get made, you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Pretty put the pussy on offset. Cardi be brain on offset. Credit to get made, you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset.
Don't wanna ever have to question if you're down for me, but when I wanted you, you didn't really want me. Now the feelings ain't mutual. You let a good girl walk out of your life. The feelings ain't mutual. You know I could've held you down for life. If you're inconsistent, I'ma find someone who isn't. He gon' give me what you're missing, yeah. Boy, get off my line, you're wasting my time, I don't need you. I can call up them guys that's on standby to tell you the truth. Cause the feelings ain't mutual. Yeah, the feelings ain't mutual.
this club to the home. The woman that I wanna try is happy with a good guy, but I've been drinking so much I'ma call her anyway and say, fuck that nigga that you love so bad. I know you still think about the times we had. Fuck that nigga that you think you found. Since you picked up, I know he's not around. I'm just saying you can. Tell me, have you heard that lately? I'm just saying do better, and I'll start hitting places lately. Cops that accept all my people being here. I see all of her friends here. Guess she don't have the time, can't get no more flights in the morning.
Okay, y'all, so this is what it's looking like right here. I just put like my spinach in there. I got my eggs there. These are empty now because these came inside of there, but I just kind of oh, not the icebreaker. I mean, these came inside of here. And sometimes I switch it depending on the type of fruit or vegetables or whatever I get. So like if I have strawberries and it's not a lot, I put them in here, and some blueberries, but I don't have those. Why the refrigerator making all them noises? Oh my god. So I just put the spinach. I just got these and I really like them. I'm putting bacon there, strawberries, grapes, and then up here we just have some fruit cups, which I don't get that frequently, but if I do, we got milk, LaCroix, my yogurts, and some water. And then this next row under here, it's just random stuff because it's just stuff that can't fit, like juice and stuff. So yeah, and then I just have my stuff on the side. Alright y'all, that is the end for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And hold on before you click up off here. If you're watching this video but you haven't either pre-saved my new song Mutual, or if you're watching this video after December 9th, go ahead and go stream my new single Mutual. It's gonna be in my description box. All of that. Oh my god, it's gonna be in my description box. But yeah, I will see y'all in the next video, and y'all better come back. Y'all better come back. Alright, bye.
That the feelings ain't mutual. You let a good girl walk out of your life.